Simple physical properties of metals. We are going to explore the physical properties of metals. You can see in this first figure two metals, gold and silver. Metals tend to be strong, and this is the first property. The second physical property is that they have high melting and boiling points, so they need high temperatures to boil or melt. Actually, metals need a temperature of more than 3000 degrees to melt. Metals conduct electricity. This is very important. It means that electricity flows through metals, and this is dangerous, so be careful. Copper is one kind of metal that is used in electric wires. You can see them in this picture. Let's see how conducting electricity takes place. Consider this array or organization of positive ions in a sea of delocalized electrons. This is a normal metal structure. Now in the figure to the right, this is how the metal structure looks when electricity flows through it. This is the positive terminal and this is the negative terminal. And you know that two negative poles repel each other and two positive poles also repel. But negative and positive attract each other. So notice how the negative electrons moved away from the negative pole and they are attracted to the positive pole. However, to compensate for these electrons that moved away, more electrons flow along the wire from the negative terminal of the power source to replace those electrons that moved away towards the positive pole. This is what happens when electricity flows through metals.